One of Videoloft's latest AI add-ons is People Analytics. This is a fantastic tool for generating insights about the trends of people in and out your locations using the footage you already have. Traditionally, this required dedicated sensors in all of your locations.
But now, with Videoloft, you can get people counting data straight from cameras you've already got installed.
Let's take this example of a camera looking at the entrance to a convenience store. We're going to draw a line here at the door where a person will cross in this direction to enter and in this direction to exit.
When video is recorded to Videoloft, our people counting algorithm detects when unique people cross that line, records their direction, and then adds them to a counter to calculate the store occupancy. When you go to the People dashboard, you can choose which cameras and time periods you want to see data for. You'll see a preview graph of people entering and total counts. The data can be reviewed within the Videoloft dashboard or downloaded as a CSV file, either for all the cameras or individual cameras, which you can then import into the Business Insights platform of your choice. When you click into an individual store or camera, you can see the full data. You can look at seasonal trends over a year, daily trends over a week, or hourly trends over a day, all for individual stores or comparing multiple locations. And unlike traditional people counting sensors, every data point is backed by video evidence, allowing you to quickly verify numbers and visually see trends, bringing the data to life.
Here at Videoloft, we're always working on cool new features, so stay tuned for updates around footfall, dwell time, and queue analysis.